All right, refactoring. Still, in the Filemob data section, we have this task-specific subsection now. And we have data that we want to remember between subsequent executions of the reentrant load box disk function. So this is task data for the load box disk reentrant function that we've been working on. We have certain things that we want to remember between subsequent executions, and this is the object that is used for that. So let's keep going. In the Filemob function section, within our reentrant function, right, the loadbox disk reentrant function, task iOS, stands for task index of step. You can see I task OIS right here. And we have commented this out because it's in our reentrant state payload now. And we have 3 aliases for this reentrant struct here. I for input, O for output, W for whatever. Assert that they're all the same reference here. And then we're just doing some refactoring. This right here needs a W dot in front of it because it's inside of that state object now. And then all these other sites are where we took an I underscore and replaced it with I dot, or a O underscore and replaced it with O dot. That's all we did, just a simple little refactor here and there, replacing the O underscores with O dot and the I underscores with I dot, right? That's all we're doing, right? Simple refactor, right? We're not done with this function yet, but that's all we're going to do in this video. So here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the FAST playlist. Source code here, email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.